All right, back in Cottonwood. Nice day to Jerome. And we're gonna go, I have no idea if we have a video of this place, but we were here last time. It's a brewery. I don't drink beer anymore, but I used to be a huge brewery guy. Because I got off the gluten thing a couple years ago now, but they had great food and some good cocktails. So we're gonna go inside Belfry and check it out. It's an old church.
Oh,
so.
and by the way, fun fact, if you ask, they'll let you ring the bell.
Oh, sweet. Not gonna do that. Cue the song, Ring My Bell. Never mind. Anyways, let's go in. All right, we're a little early, so nobody's in here. I'll give you guys a look. I mean, we love architecture and buildings, but
Yeah.
super cool. We'll go right into the menu. Looks delicious. All right, I went with a golden hour. It's some Kentucky bourbon, limoncello lemon, orange bitters. Looks great. It's probably got a sugar rim on it. And then this is the lock and key. It's a key lime martini. Yeah, it's got like a coconut foam on it, and you've got the lime zest there. Whoa. Cheers. All right, went with the Brussels sprouts to start because we're sharing dinner. So we got feta, balsamic drizzle, Brussels sprouts, and some walnuts, and hidden in there is bacon. All right, we changed it up with some whiskey. No wine tonight, our usual, but we are huge whiskey lovers. So I got Nicole the Eagle Rare on a cube. The pricing here is fantastic on whiskey. And I'm doing a scotch. I'm doing the Dalmore Cigar Malt. If you've ever had it, it's really, really good. And they're pricing, so the Eagle Rare was only 12 bucks for a pour, which is great. And Cigar Malt is 28. So I think the Cigar Malt now is up to around $200 a bottle. So, yep. Cheers. Or, as they say in Scotland, slàinte. All right. Wow, look at this. Well, I gotta get an overview of this baby. Yeah, we're doing another baked potato. I get it. Broccolini. We got the steak, medium. Oh, this looks delicious. We're getting all the angles on this one. All right, guys. Another great time here. So, hello. All right, so this little place across the street. I'm gonna show you it real quick if I don't get run over. It's a little burger place that was an old little gas station. We haven't been there before, but it's really cool. So, all right, so Old Town Cottonwood, definitely recommend it. It's such a great place. We actually wanted to move here, but the pricing here for houses is just a little, it's got inflated since COVID, so I don't think it'll ever be a thing for us, but oh well, who knows. Anyways, we're headed back to our hotel, so thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next time from Arizona. See ya.